Hey everyone, today we'll be explaining how to create a race. First, go to race.opendao.cloud and click Enter Race. Next, you will see the racing page, which shows active races on the top that you're free to join, and past races that have been completed. To create a race, click Create Race. Here you can choose the race fee and the NFT you would like to race with. The race fee ranges from 0.1 AVAX all the way up to 25 AVAX. In this case, we'll do 0.1 AVAX. Select that, and then click Select Doge. Here you will see the list of your doges. Select which one you would like to start the race with. Next, you'll see a MetaMask transaction that shows the 0.1 AVAX entry fee plus gas. Click Confirm. Now, while the transaction is completing, you can close this window and simply wait for the race to be created. And there you go. You've created a race. You're the first dog in. Now you just need to wait for the other contestants.